Hey guys, it's Caleb here, and today I'm going to show you the Lincoln L6V Air Compressor. Now this is a super compact and lightweight air compressor. It is oilless, which means that it's basically no maintenance. It has a 1.8 kilowatt direct drive motor that is capable of producing 220 liters of air per minute, along with putting out a max PSI of 116. It has a 6-liter tank and a built-in handle for easy transportation. Weighing in at just over 9 kilograms, it's small enough to take with you in the car to a job site or to use on or in your workbench. It has 4 rubber suction feet, which helps with stability and reduces vibration. The adjustable pressure regulator is very easy to use. It is centered right next to the pressure gauge and the easy to connect Litre coupling. Simply turn it clockwise to raise the pressure or anti-clockwise to lower the pressure. Now today's test, I'm going to see how many nails I can fire before the compressor kicks back on to repressurize. I'll then time how long that takes to repressurize, along with then finishing off the rest of the clip. I have a 65mm Brad's nailer and a 65mm coil gun. Whether the air compressor can keep up with the guns firing constantly, we'll see. Okay, so the air compressor is set to 116 PSI, which is its maximum. You'll watch the pressure slowly dip down with every nail. Then I'll put a timer on the video to see how long that takes to repressurize again back to full. So let's do it. So there you go, that was pretty quick. So now what I'm going to do is fire off the rest of this rail, just to see how it copes with having the repressurize while I continuously fire. So there were 50 nails in that rail, so take out the 6 that I fired initially, and that fired just then 44 nails non-stop. And each one of them is sunk into the same depth. There wasn't any loss in pressure. Obviously, the engine in this thing really kept up with it. But what I'm going to do now is try the same test with a coil gun, just to see if that handles any differently. So you can see there we got 6 out, and they are all exactly the same depth, so no difference whatsoever. All right, now I'm going to do the same that I did for the last one, fire off 44 nails, just one after each other. Let's see how it keeps up with the tank pressurizing. So as you can see there, I actually lost count and ended up firing 54 instead of 44 more nails. But these were all kept to pretty much the same depth. Obviously this was going into some softwood, so if you're using a thicker nail, longer nail into harder wood, it probably wouldn't get the same results. But for this example, this actually ran a lot better than I was expecting. For such a small tank and a small engine, that really kept up with how fast I was firing these nails. So the last thing you want to do at the end of the day is release the pressure release valve at the bottom here. This will help clear out any condensation in the tank. That'll just help prevent any rust buildup and prolong the life of the tank. So let's do it now. So as you can see, there was a little bit of condensation there, and by releasing that out now, this tank will be kept fresh for next time. So there you go guys, the Lincoln L6V Air Compressor. I have to say as well, the noise wasn't too bad. When I had my earplugs in and was firing these guns, this kind of just disappeared into the background, so it's more than bearable. Look, if you have any questions about the air compressor or the guns that I used today, leave them in the comment section. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button, and until next time, thanks for watching.